What you don't know can hurt you. HireItDone.com.
Hi, I'm Adam Helfman, home improvement expert from Hire It Done. I always hear from homeowners who like to tackle projects around the house themselves. That's why we've put together this do-it-yourself series to help you next time you're ready to embrace your inner weekend warrior. Hope you enjoy the video. Hey everyone, it's Adam Helfman from Hire It Done. Today we're going to walk you through step-by-step how to safely clean your gutters.
Hi, I'm Christian. It's that time of year again and everyone needs to clean their gutters, and that's what we're going to do today. Obviously you can clean your gutters with your bare hands, but if you have a blower, you can blow the loose stuff out first. If you got a spatula, you can scrape the bottom really clean. Gloves will keep your hands dry and clean. Good safe ladders will keep you from hurting yourself. Extension ladders are safer than A-frames when they're sturdy up against the house. Make sure your ladder is set right. You know, if you can have somebody there with you, just for extra precaution, even better. So you basically just want to get everything out so the water can flow and the water doesn't carry the debris to clog up your downspout again. The cleaner you get it, the longer that it'll last and work properly. So one of the most important things to clean on your gutter system is the downspout. If that's clogged, the water can't get out, it'll fill up like a bathtub and you could flood your basement. So there's usually going to be stuff right on top and you want to get rid of that stuff, but you also want to check the cross arm or the elbows because they tend to fill up with stuff. Sometimes you can just tap it and hear or feel if it seems full. You know, if it's kind of loose, you can blow air down it with a blower. You can get the hose out and flush it. Or if you have a drill and usually a quarter-inch hex head bit or a gutter bit, you can take it apart and shake everything out of there. So I'm running into some frozen stuff in the corners and over the downspout. The kitchen spatula is not cutting it, so you might need a pry bar or something a little stiffer to get the frozen stuff out of there. You want to just be careful that you're going, you know, gently along the bottom of the gutter. You're not hammering it or jamming it down in such a way that you might risk puncturing a hole and you might have to replace it. So this is an impact driver or a drill. This is a gutter bit. This is a 8-inch gutter bit, so it doesn't bump into the front lip of the gutter if you're doing 6-inch gutters. They're usually 6-inch bits. But I was knocking a lot of debris down here for this long extension, so we know it's not coming out. So we don't want this blocking up stuff and freezing and creating a problem. So we just got to take these screws off and get all this out of there. So this one's done, the downspout's clear, the gutter's empty, the water's gonna flow. And those are the basics and the tools you might need to get your gutters clean. Just be careful and safe.
Thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, go ahead and click the like button. If you didn't like it, or if you think you know a better way to tackle a project, then please leave a comment for me below. And if you want more great home improvement content like this, go ahead and subscribe. As always, I'm Adam Helfman with Hire It Done, and I'll see you in the next video.
What you don't know can hurt you. HireItDone.com.